So this is a riff on the high five, but it is a wonderful cocktail. Some of my favorite components, grapefruit and lime and gin. It's tart, it's fruity, it is just delicious, and it all comes together really balanced in a perfect sort of patio sipping way. So let's go shopping. So first for our Hey Buddy, we're gonna use the Botanist. This is an Islay Dry Gin from Islay, Scotland, and it uses 22 different herbs and flowers that they hand gather from across the island, so that's pretty cool. A lot of floral notes, herbal notes, botanicals, on top of your general gin botanicals. So it's a beautiful gin, and it comes through really lovely in this cocktail. Cappelletti. What I love about using this in that cocktail is you already have the grapefruit, and Cappelletti is that really nice sort of bittersweet aperitivo, which gives a bitter grapefruit flavor note. So it pairs really nicely with the grapefruit juice and the gin to really make just a delicious, summery and refreshing, not overly sweet, really balanced cocktail. So today we're gonna make our riff on the high five. We called it the Hey Buddy. 1.5 ounces gin, 1 ounce grapefruit juice, 1/2 ounce Cappelletti, 1/2 ounce simple syrup, limes, 1/2 ounce fresh squeezed lime juice, ice, shake, a little Nick and Nora, that is how you make the Hey Buddy. It's probably gonna sound really dumb when I hear myself say that,